度咧就 means there 啊嘛，即係people in Hawaii people there 咁嗰度啲人。咁如果你用嗰度啲人咧，就唔使用當地人啊it seems clumsy 啦，又嗰度又當地。But if you use it still okay, at least understandable。但係咧喺度咧喺度咧 what's the meaning 喺度啊？喺度 means here 啊嘛。哦，我喺度啊 ，where are you？ 我喺度咯。If your wife show in the house oh Alice where are you? Then you say that 哦我喺度啊咁樣I am here OK 我喺廚房嗰度 I'm in the kitchen I am 我喺嗰度啦，所以喺度就係 here 嗰度 there。咁如果你想講當地人本地人都得，或者你就咁講嗰度啲人，但係你就冇你可以話喺嗰度啲人喎，但係你就唔可以就話喺度啲人。喺度咧就 means unless 咧就係unless you already mentioned that this time just after I have left there is a big fire there。咁喺嗰度啲人咧，喺嗰度啲人就慘咯，仲喺嗰度啲人，仲喺嗰度啲旅客就慘咯，好在我啱啱走咗咋。咁所以你就可以話喺嗰度。你即係喺度仲喺度嗰啲人，如果佢 omit 咗嗰啦 ，because you already know that you are mentioning to the people still there， 所以你唔使講嗰度啦，你即係話仲喺度 ，that means still there 啦。但如果你冇咁嘅 context 咧，就咁話就咁話喺度啲人咧，咁就唔知你講乜啦。即係如果你就咁講話last week I went to Hawaii， 喺度啲人咧就歡迎我咁。點解無端端話喺度啲人咧？係咪啊？即係the people there welcome me，OK？ 咁冇 context 冇上下文咧，你就做好講明咧，就係本地人、當地人或者嗰度啲人歡n woo and then come back and then end with n 歡。Yeah, good. Don't skip the end. Yeah. 歡迎我係啦 ，welcome me. Yes. Yeah. 你可以話招待我，招待就 means 即係serve you 就係招待啦。OK， 佢哋好熱烈咁歡迎我，招待我但係咧，如果你話熱烈咁歡迎我咧，就Usually when someone welcome you at the airport and then putting some sign, we welcome you, Mr. what 咁 OK， 咁就熱烈咁歡迎你啦。They have a whole team if each one is holding a sign and then waiting welcome and then some even dancing 咁就好熱烈咁歡迎啦。But if you just as a tourist and then you went there and then when you see people is so nice to, for example, just like me when I just come to the US, then I find that people welcome me so much, but they don't welcome me at the airport, posting the signs or the wordings. They just whenever I pass or I appear, they will say hi, how are you? That kind of welcoming. So I would say I won't say 熱烈咁歡迎我 I would say 當地啲人咧好熱情。好熱情咁對我就得啦，唔使話歡迎我好熱情咁對我，或者話我唔需要用熱情，我就咁話佢哋都好歡迎我喎。Because 你用熱情地歡迎咧，就 make people remind people thinking about the welcoming party at the airport holding the signs the wedding. So you just want to say that the people seems to have a welcoming attitude whenever you meet them. Then you just say 佢哋好歡迎我喎，佢哋對我好好喎，佢哋好熱情咁對我喎，咁就 it will be okay yeah 熱情係啦，熱情 means passionate 我話熱烈係啦，熱烈又係 passionate 熱情都可以係嗱，熱情咧就 more suitable for the case I've just talked about that they just show kindness to you or they just show a smiling face to you, say hi, how are you like this. 熱烈地咧就 usually refer to some action that they have done. Just the example I told you at the airport, really have some passionate action to show to you. Then that situation will use 熱烈就better. Okay, yeah, showing some actions. 熱情咧就係 their feelings towards you, their attitude towards you. You can feel their passion, then they will be okay. Yeah. Yeah. 繼續好啦，咁去到啦，佢哋好熱情咁歡迎你啦，咁點啊？好熱情咁對你啦，可唔可以俾啲例子佢哋點樣熱情咁對你啊？係啊，你知唔知我呢度遇到過最熱情嘅對待係乜嘢？就係咧，佢哋竟然咧，譬如話你知道啦，呢度咁個鎮仔咁，你行出去可能散下步嘅啫。咁但係散下咧，你見到雪糕店喎，你又想入去食雪糕喎。咁死啊！突然之間就醒起咧，就冇帶錢，又冇帶卡，乜都冇喎。咁你就同佢講，你話：哎呀，我出嚟行下散下步，冇乜嘢都冇帶喎。咁佢就會話：唔使，食咗先啦，聽日嚟俾啊！咁真係嘅喎。咁既然佢咁講啦，咁我就話好啊，咁我聽日嚟俾啊。咁especially once when I think that I have the card, I show them the card, but it turns out that the card cannot function. And then I have no money because I think that I have card. Then okay, in the US you don't need money, right? I just have the card in, just put inside my phone. Okay, my phone you can put inside. Okay, and so I think that I have the card if just in case I need some money, it's still okay. But it turns out that it suddenly unfunction. Then I said, but they already given me the ice cream. Then I said, oh sorry, I don't have, my card cannot function. Then I have no money. So what should I do? And then they said that it's okay, enjoy, come back. They even haven't said come back. They can just enjoy first, okay? And then they won't ask you for a telephone number for your name. In case you don't come back, then I can call the police. I can catch you, or at least I can remember your name next time. I won't sell things you. No, they never. Even next day, I really come back, and then I told them that I come back to pay back for the money yesterday that I haven't paid. And then they say that, oh yes, you have come, you have this case. Oh, I can't remember. I can't remember. Okay, so you see, actually you can just forget it. Okay, you won't be caught. No one will post up your name, your photo. Okay, and then you cannot come again. No, they really forget. Okay, so that's why make me feel that 喺呢度美國咧，即係佢哋對啲客人咧嗱，絕大部分人尤其是本地人。同埋啲墨西哥即係南美嗰啲喺呢度做生意嘅人咧，我覺得都非常好，佢都會咁樣對你嘅，即係佢唔會擔心你佢，又唔會話驚因為你佢嗰幾蚊咧就寧願唔做你生意，或者話對你態度好差，或者覺得你係特登，唔會嘅，即係佢哋仍然想即係起碼 get 一個 customer。Even you really have some pay, I treat you this time, even you won't come back again. I still want to show my kindness to a customer because I'm serving customers, right? Or at least you are living here. I serve a resident. It's not a big deal, okay? 絕大部分人 unless I met a very bad guy in a buffet restaurant. This is really bad. I don't want to share here. 但係咧。即係個熱情咧就係即係100間商鋪咧，我遇到99間都係咁好，但係咧竟然有一間咧就係差到好離譜。咁嗰間咧就當然就唔係本地人，又唔係南美人，咁你應該會想像到係咩人㗎啦。咁但係即係通常都係呢類人咧，就係經常咧要翻到 news on the TV that even they are as customer 咧，they will show very bad behaviour. No wonder as boss 咧，they just overuse their right, okay, to ill-treat the customer and then doing business unfriendly. I think everyone will think about what kind of people from where, okay? Yeah, so we don't need to tell. So 咁所以咧，我就感覺到呢度啲人嘅熱情咧就係咁樣啊，係嘛？即係佢又唔係話見到你爛身爛世或者你都似係street sleeper 啦 ，OK？ No, I dress very well, OK？ Taking a mobile, just walking very leisurely and then go in and then oh good, I have a card, OK? I give you the card, and then they already give me the ice cream and then find that the card is not functioning. Then I say, oh sorry, I don't know that. Then what should I do? I don't say that. Oh, let me You already given me the ice cream, right? So even I don't want it, you will waste the ice cream. Actually, they can do that instead of allowing the customer to make use of that kind of good conduct. Maybe every people will do it in this way, but they won't have this concept. They won't think in that way. They won't think that you will be wrongly used by others because of their kindness. No, they will think that it's okay. You are not purposely to not to pay for it. So 咁我就感覺到咧，即係呢度嘅人咧係好熱情咁對待任何嘅顧客嘅。佢唔會話你係咪冇錢啊？你係咪好窮啊？我睇你個樣又唔似好窮啊！你咪呃人啊？喂咁大個人出街都唔帶錢嘅咩？咁樣咁因為美國人都唔係好慣用卡㗎，我覺得好多地方都仍然係俾錢㗎。尤其是咧好多時俾錢咧係冇手續費嘅，呢個俾卡咧好多時有手續費㗎，即係你如果唔問都唔知喎。咁所以我見好多人都仍然係中意俾錢嘅，但問題因為我淨係帶個手機，咁你放一張卡。就方便喎，你放錢就唔方便喎。咁有時我而家都精啊，係咪咧？我都放定一張10蚊啊20蚊美金喺度，咁咧即係必時之需咧。但係如果我唔會用喎，因為用咗你唱咗散紙之後，你要拎啲散紙the coins the change 會好麻煩啊，要 understand 喂，好麻煩啊。So I still just put the $10 or $20 notes just in case I need it。but I never use it，OK，咁我就又放張卡，咁就即係唔方便啊嘛，必要時俾佢收幾毫子手續費都要俾佢㗎啦，係咪？咁好過咁因為發現咧啲卡真係隨時會唔得嘅，如果除非你放定幾張啦，咁有時又唔想帶咁多張啦，咁放定一張喺度，係啦，咁放定啲錢喺度，咁就有時咧就係。又冇帶卡又冇帶錢喎，跟住又想入鋪頭食嘢喎，跟住但係突然之間醒起，哎呀我冇錢冇剩㗎，唔好食嘢，唔好行入去鋪頭，就 stick to my purpose. If I just take a walk, just take a walk. But sometimes the temptation is a lot. I forgot that this time I have nothing. If I don't have the mobile, I know that I have nothing. But if I have the mobile, sometimes if I don't open it and check, and I don't know that I have nothing. but sometimes you know now the mobile can also have the app inside that you can for example you can pay for the money right in the supermarket. But sometimes the staff don't know how to operate, and then I also don't know how to operate. So you know one time the staff in the supermarket 店係啦，個店員咧有一次個店員啊，佢幫唔到我搞，我唔識搞，咁我又冇錢，但我想買。咁佢就話我幫你俾喎，佢幫我俾啊，嗰個係 staff 嚟嘅就唔係 boss 啊，頭先嗰個就 boss 嚟嘅喎，呢個係 staff 嚟，佢竟然話幫我俾，我話唔好唔得嘅，唔可以要你幫我俾，唔緊要啦，我屋企唔係好遠，我聽日再嚟過買啦，咁我放翻低啦，咁即係我覺得唔好意思，佢哋咁熱情。咁佢哋又唔會驚我overuse 佢哋嘅熱情，咁佢哋又真係會信我啦，咁所以呢度好即係咁樣咯嚇，咁你又講下你喺夏威夷係點樣？